आदर, आदाब, अभिनंदन, आभार। दोस्तों, नई झांसी उभरते बुंदेलखंड के एक पहलू से आज आपको फिर मिलवाता हूँ। जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा है, नए झांसी में बड़े-बड़े रेस्टोरेंट्स ही नए-नए नहीं आ रहे हैं। जैसे बीकानेर वाला हो गया, या फिर आपके क्या कहते हैं काके दी हाटी हो गई, या फिर स्टोर्स ही बड़े-बड़े नहीं आ रहे हैं। जैसे कि आपका रिलायंस ट्रेंड्स हो गया, या पैंटालून हो गया, या ज़ूडियो हो गया। अब तो साथ में पढ़ाई का स्तर भी ऊपर हो रहा है, अच्छा हो रहा है। नए झांसी उभरते बुंदेलखंड में अब जीडी गोइंका भी आ गया है, जो एक उच्च स्तरीय शिक्षा प्रदान करने के क्षेत्र में झांसी की मदद करेगा। इसके साथ साथ मानवता का स्तर भी बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर जा रहा है, क्योंकि जीडी गोइंका में ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप लगा। मुझे मेरे दोस्त ने एक वीडियो बना के भेजा। मेरे दोस्त का नाम है एडवोकेट मिस्टर अभिनव अग्रवाल, और वो इस काम में संलग्न रहे अपने दोस्तों के साथ। उसमें गए वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ और अपना रक्तदान दिया, महादान दिया, और साथ में उन्होंने जीडी गोइंका का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दिखाया, स्कूल के बारे में बताया। आइए देखते हैं थोड़ी सी इस वीडियो की झलक। आपको आपके बच्चों की शिक्षा के लिए डिसीजन लेने में आसानी रहेगी। एंजॉय।
नमस्कार। हम सब लोग यहाँ ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप में आए हैं। जीडी गोयनका पब्लिक स्कूल झांसी ने इसे अरेंज किया है। बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है इस स्कूल का, एंड वी विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट। नमस्कार, मैं रिक्की सरना। हम सब यहाँ पर एकत्रित हुए हैं ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप के लिए। जीडी गोयनका पब्लिक स्कूल द्वारा ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है, और ये बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है जो लिया गया है डायरेक्टर्स द्वारा, और हम सब इसकी सराहना करते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, और आगे भी उम्मीद करते हैं कि स्कूल तरक्की की बुलंदी छुएगा।
हम लोग जा रहे हैं जीडी गोयनका पब्लिक स्कूल झांसी। ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप लगा हुआ है यहाँ आज, से ब्लड डोनेशन करने के लिए। मेरे दो फ्रेंड्स भी साथ में हैं। वी आर ऑन द वे। सच अ वाइड रोड है। आई थॉट ट्रैफिक वुड बी एन इशू, बट बहुत अच्छी रोड है, बहुत ही वाइड रोड दी हुई है। This is the building. There it is. Okay. So work is in progress, I suppose. Okay. Work is in progress. This is GD Goenka Public School, Jhansi. Okay. There we are. We are about to enter. This is the building. Okay. नमस्कार दोस्तों, हम लोग आज आए हैं ब्लड डोनेट करने। ये साथ में मेरे मित्र रिंकी सरना जी और समीर चावला जी। क्या रिसेप्शन मेन लॉबी, वी हैव टू गो। ये इनका स्ट्रक्चर है, अभी काम फिनिश नहीं हुआ। दिस इज अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन, सब काम चालू है यहाँ पर। दिस इज द एंट्री, वेलकम्स यू। दिस इज जीडी गोयनका पब्लिक स्कूल झांसी। सो दिस इज द रिसेप्शन एरिया। This is the reception area. Can you have a look? बहुत शानदार रिसेप्शन एरिया है। पेरेंट्स हैं। तो रिसेप्शन एरिया। ओके। Excuse me, ma'am. Can you help me show the school, please?
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
So this is
You are.
I'm Niksha Pachori and I'm working as a primary teacher.
Okay.
Thank
Please.
you.
Thank you. This is
Counseling.
counseling area. Okay.
This is our principal.
This is the principal room. Okay, this is the principal's room. Principal ma'am is there. Okay, so we will not disturb her.
This is our
Okay,
meeting room.
this is the meeting room. Sir, आपसे मिलते हैं। आप you are from the school only?
Yeah, I belong to GD Goenka.
Okay, आप क्या कर रहे
As the admin over here, administrator.
Okay. Right, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yoga.
This is your yoga room. Okay. Still work is in progress. देख सकते हैं. Then we have a martial arts room also. Okay, very good. Oh, great. So this is all centrally air cooled. Okay.
This is our classical dance room, and we are having centralized AC in each and every class, camera as well, along with four fans.
Okay. You are having centrally
Centralized AC.
centralized
Yeah.
AC. This is a classical dance room. Okay. Very good.
And this is our
Then we have another dance room here. This is the Western dance room. Okay. Fine. Great. It's a big room.
We are having music room as well.
This is a music room, separate music room. Okay. The equipments are all here.
Collaborated with the drum jam, and we provide proper curriculum
Okay.
for the music and for the dance.
So I have heard that you have a team from Mumbai. You have some tie-up with Mumbai team.
Yeah, drum
Oh,
jam company.
sorry? Dram Jam.
From drum jam.
Okay.
That provide proper curriculum for the music, and we are having the subjects.
Fine. The synthesizers are all here. So they have all the proper equipments over here. Very good. Fine.
Done.
This is the kids activity room.
Yeah.
Okay.
For art and
Imagine
craft.
art and craft room. Okay. Very nice.
Students are going to place colors, doing things in groups.
Okay. This is the junior computer lab. Okay. The computers are
We
for.
are having centralized AC cameras there, along with four fans.
This is also centrally air conditioned. And the laptop systems have been placed here already. Okay. Very good.
This is fine.
There's a pantry. They have a pantry for the staff.
And this is IT.
This is the IT
Classes
room.
will be monitored.
Okay. All the classes will be monitored from here. The teachers will be monitored as well. What they are doing in the class.
Nursery library, the students will do things in groups, exchanging their views.
This is the nursery library. Okay.
That will help them to develop various skills like
Okay.
empathy.
So
sharing,
books,
quality.
books are yet to come.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Great. So they can learn a lot here.
This is for rifle shooting
Okay.
and it is soundproof.
This is for rifle shooting. This is all enclosed right now, and this is a sound-proof room.
Yeah.
इसमें काम चल रहा है अभी. Work is in progress, so I can't show you this fully. Okay. Then we have the kids classroom.
Yes. And we are having digital boards in each and every class.
Okay, this is a digital board, not that conventional blackboard. This is a digital board, and they are having digital boards in each and every class. The furniture for the kids. This is okay, very nice. And what's this? It's a window.
That is window.
Okay.
And this is bulletin board. He will be there.
Okay, this is the bulletin board. Okay. The lift is here. The work is in progress. The toilet, the class for the kids. This is the passage for the kids. Have a look at the passage.
Even constructed according to child's height. So they don't have to be like washing their hands.
This is according to the kids' height. They have made provisions for the kids for water. Kids. So you can see the walls here.
Here we have focus on the Bala concept, building as learning aid, using building as a learning aid. For example, if child is 4 they are learning something, they are not completely blank. For example, if it is talking about name of the animal, color of the animal.
Okay, they have made it in a way that you can learn things watching on the walls also. You can learn so many
This is
things.
our activity room.
And
where
this
we
is
have
the
real
activity room.
life examples in front of students learning by doing concepts.
Okay,
We have small store, kitchen is there.
okay, this is a small store they've made.
Kitchen.
This is a kitchen so that kids can learn how a kitchen operates.
And this is ATM machine.
This is the ATM machine. They will also learn how to use the ATM. Very good.
And this is hospital.
It's a hospital.
And we are having
The
supermarket.
registration counter is here, right? Okay.
Supermarket.
It's a supermarket.
We are having
Fine. And this is
small stage is also there for a role play activity in order to use the public fair.
sorry,
This is
a
stage.
small stage.
Yeah,
Okay.
small stage for kids so that role play activity. they
Okay.
can do.
Fine.
And this is barber shop.
It's a barber shop. Okay. Right.
Salon.
Salon.
Yeah. And this is vanity van.
Okay. This is a vanity van.
Yeah.
And this is
Again, we are having one more small kitchen.
okay. So,
Wardrobe is there.
so lot of things are there
Wardrobe
for the
is
students to learn.
Students
Okay.
racks, books racks are there.
Right.
Baskets, we are having the sound cylinders so that we are having the sound cylinders. So
What
that
is
they
a
can
sound
different
cylinder?
sounds are there
Okay.
so that they can recognize different kind of sounds.
Okay. Fine. Okay. We are on the first floor now.
From where class 1 to 7 will be there.
Classes 1 to 7
Yeah.
are here on the first floor. Okay.
These are classrooms.
This is class 7th A. So we can have a look at the furniture. Not very congested. Look at the furniture. Okay.
Again, like AC.
Cameras all over in the classes
Yeah.
to monitor
All the classes.
all the classes. Okay. Library, senior library. The work is in progress. You can have a look
Here
here.
we will place computers. And
There
books
it is.
will be there.
Okay. So this will be an e-library also.
Yes, e-library.
So computers will be placed here. The books are not available. They can use it electronically. Okay. This is also centralized, air conditioned. Very good. It's a big library. Tables for students to explore different things. Very nice. We are moving to the robotics lab. They have a robotics lab too.
This is the robotics
This
lab.
is the robotics lab. This is it.
Robotics starting from class 1 onwards.
This is starting from class 1 onwards. Okay.
And the kid activities.
These are the kids'
These
activities.
are take-away activities.
Okay. So students can
They
make
construct.
and they can take
Take
it
away.
out. Okay. Take away.
And we are having big machinery. One of them is weather station is there.
What machine is this?
Weather station.
Weather station. So what's the function of this?
So the students will be able to predict their surroundings, temperature, the
Okay.
season patterns.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. And this is wind tunnel through which students are able to see the flow of air.
Okay.
These are 3D printers.
3D printers.
Yes.
What exactly they do?
The thing that 3D printers do that they can print things in a real form that we can touch, feel, tangible
Okay.
objects.
Okay.
And as you can see, this is jet engine. This is
Okay.
also constructed through 3D printer only. And
Okay.
this is 3D
So
pen.
this is being prepared here in this
Yeah,
lab
it
only.
is prepared in this lab only.
Okay.
And this is 3D pen.
3D pen.
Yes, from class 1.
Class 1. What's the use of this pen?
Basically, the thing is that we can't give big machines to the class 1 kids. So we are giving this 3D pen so that they will get to know what are the features.
Okay. Fine.
And this is CNC machine.
This
Computers
bridge has been made here only
Through this
machine.
CNC
Okay.
machine, Yeah.
CNC is what?
Computer numerical control.
Okay, computer numerical control.
Through
CNC
which
stands for
We
this.
can engrave things. We can do cuttings also.
Okay.
Yeah. As you can see, we have engraved things.
Okay, you have
Engraved
engraved this
in
GD
this-
Goenka Public School
Yeah.
Jhansi. This
Even-
has been done by this CNC machine
Yes.
only. Okay,
And
this is
even
doing. Okay.
This
This bridge is
is also
brilliant. Okay,
constructed through
very
the
nice,
CNC
very
machine.
nice.
Assembling is also done in this lab only.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the prototype of satellite.
Okay, so you made a satellite also. And this works as well, or this is just
Yeah,
a.
Works.
This
This
works.
works.
This is controlled by remote or a mobile phone.
Mobile phone.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
great.
That
So
is the
students will
GSLV.
learn how this satellite works.
Yes.
This they will
And
also
they are
learn.
going to construct as well.
Acha, they are going to construct this as well.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
This is GSLV that is also constructed by the 3D printer.
This one.
Yeah.
This is GSLV. Okay.
So we
Okay.
are having big machineries here. So we are not going to ask anything to bring from home.
So those students are not required to bring anything from home. Everything is provided
We
over
are
here.
having drones as well.
स्कूल से ही सब चीज़ प्रोवाइड होने वाली है बच्चों को
lab.
घर से कुछ भी नहीं लाना है इस लैब में काम करने के लिए वेरी गुड
We are having tool section as well.
ओके
That is very much important.
दिस इज ग्रेट सो दे हैव डिफरेंट टूल्स हियर सो दैट
We get to
kids
know
can
the,
learn what different
what is
types
the
of
use of individual tools.
tools are there and how they are used, where they can be used. So now we are moving to class 1. Let's have a look at the class. This is
We have
And the
different furniture according to the
Okay.
classes. This is for
So
class 1 furniture.
multicolored furniture. Okay. So there's a shelf over here. Okay, very good. And these tables, I think, these can be elevated. So height can be increased. Okay, very good. Centralized AC, very good. And then a digital smart board will be here. Moving to the sports area. This is what, ma'am? Okay, this is the marathon track here. We'll go like this. New game. Then we are moving ahead. So this is pickleball area. Pickleball court, and the flooring is all wooden. Now we are moving to the swimming pool area. Pool area. Okay. Huge swimming pool. Very nice. And this will be all covered from top. Okay. So this is an all-weather swimming pool. Use it in any weather. Okay. These are the washrooms and changing rooms. Washroom and changing rooms. Okay. Fine. That's great. अब जा रहे हैं हम लोग. We are moving to the box cricket field. This is the ground for the box cricket. Okay. So it is fenced all around. चारों तरफ से फेंसिंग है, बच्चे आराम से खेल सकते हैं. Okay. It's all covered from all sides, surrounded by fence, and from the top also. Okay. Great.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me a chance to be a part of your
Thank you, ma'am. You have been so cooperative. Thank you.